Hiya, welcome back. The photograph that you can see there is my actual Rover that was pictured about 30 odd years ago. Judging by the date on the registration, we reckon about early 90s, and it was sent to me by one of my subscribers, David, who used to own the car way back then. And it does look good, doesn't it? Does look good in that blue, I have to say. Right then, onwards and upwards on the floor. Let's go and do it. So this is the last bit of the floor. We did that bit on the last video, and the main bit of floor. We've just got this hole to fill in down here. I've actually made a bit for it. You probably see me putting a straight edge down there, grinding away. We made this bit. So that's the shape of it. And the plan is to stick that there, like that. Just move that up a bit. So that sits up there like that. Weld across the top there, all the way down. I'm going to push this bit, I'm going to push this bit in there, and then end up seam welding all the way down there. Right to the end. Got a hole there. We'll fill that in with a plate, and that'll be the last little section of the floor done. That hole will be the last bit, and we'll get this bit done. Let's just zoom out a bit so it's a bit more in focus. There you go, and we'll crack on and get that welded in. Right, this is the underneath of the car. I haven't done any cleaning up at all as yet, so I've got a bit of grinding to do, but this is the piece we just put in, that little section there. I don't know if you can see that from there. I am going to seam weld it. Where are we? There. I just need the car a bit higher up, and this is what we've done before. That was a bit last week. That was a bit last week, and then sort of looking down there. Yeah, that's a bit. There we go. So we've just done that bit. As you've just seen, we've got most of that near side floor done now. I've just got that little corner piece to make a panel up tomorrow, I think, and finish that off. I was going to do, just to add a little bit of variety to the videos, I've got my Range Rover Classic that, although it's been more or less finished, there's a few jobs to do on it, so I might video the jobs that are left, maybe just do some drive-in shots of it for anybody that's interested in the Range Rover side of things. So if you just want to look at the Rover stuff, great, and just go straight to the playlist for the Rover, and I'll do a separate teeth back in, I'll do a separate playlist for the Range Rover stuff, just to keep it separated. So any thoughts, just in the comments, and do the likey subscribe bit for me, that would be great, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.